Well, I guess it's a ranch for a reason.
She just slides from door to door. You're not going to be able to see out of any of the windows.
So windows is down.
Gonna do the Turner and Hooch head shake.
She does.
Every time she gets a drink of water.
I'm so sorry about your paint job. It's going to get some scratches. Okay.
Hold up, what? You didn't tell me my Jeep was gonna get scratched up.
Yeah, I don't want any scratches. Don't make it where you can't see my dents right. It's not bad. I'm right here behind you. Let's walk uphill. You can either get in touch with a guy, he's pretty famous and doesn't talk to us so very often.
That's the same shame. It sounds like you have some good information to share.
Alright, Brooke, you can see now to the right of me is where you should go up at. So that you put that big rock there. Holding your shifter, like he told me that if I push my knob to the right and hold it, then it feels good.
And welcome back to Rockface, Crossbar Ranch, Davis, Oklahoma. A far cry different than every other time we have been here. First thing you notice is there is absolutely zero water in the river. As there's zero water out here at Crossbar Ranch. I mean, it is unbelievably dry. It's like the Frio River. If you watched our Frio River before and after video, it's just like that. There is absolutely zero water out here. Anyways, Rockface is completely dry. There's no water crossing. You don't have to worry about anything. You can literally drive right up it now. Traction is not an issue at all. So, Rock Solid Rig, we all came out. It's my birthday weekend. Hey, thank you. And anyway, we brought Brooke out. Brooke is driving a absolutely 100% bone stock Jeep. And she is going to drive up it. So, we're going to take a bone stock Jeep up Rockface, which we could do anyways, even if the river was flowing. It's just all in how you do it. Brooke has never really been off-roading in her Jeep, so this is a whole new experience for her, so she's really nervous, but obviously our Jeeps are way more capable than what our comfort level is. So we're gonna do our best to try to get her up it. She's good. Got a stock Jeep flexed out. I mean, when I say stock, I mean no lift kit, no tires, nothing. There you go. Look at her. I give it a little bumpy bumpy. Just like that. Now I'm gonna say, here it comes. Everybody's gonna be like, oh, that wasn't all that bad or anything like that. But if you've ever been to Crossbar Ranch and actually stood at the bottom of rock face, you will understand just how steep that really is. Again, cameras ruin the angles. But we're zoomed way in on her too, to even get her up here like this. So anyway, it's a long ways up there, guys. I mean, that's a feat for a 100% stock Jeep, especially with somebody that has never drove off-road. She's got this. And there she is, all the way at the top of rock face. So that's the thing, is there's multiple lines to go up it. But that was awesome. Congratulations.
Oh, look at those kids.
Come here. Sit down.